Hello dear lovely viewers, good day to you all. You're welcome to today's class. So we have a question which is asking us to balance a chemical equation, which is NH3 in gaseous state plus oxygen in gaseous state, which produces NO in gaseous state plus 6H2O. So we have to balance this chemical reaction. So in a chemical reaction, we have both the reactant and the product. So on our right hand side is where we have the product, while on the left hand side is where we have the reactant. Okay, so these are the products. So for us to balance chemical reaction, the easy way to go about this, I advise my students to the first step is to bring out all the elements in the compound or in the equation. So here we have at the products, that is the right hand side, here we have nitrogen, we have oxygen, and also we have hydrogen. At the left hand side where we have the reactants, also we have nitrogen, we have oxygen, and also we have hydrogen. So let's check how many nitrogens we have at the right hand side. At the products, we have 1 nitrogen here. Oxygen here is going to be 6 plus 1, here is 7, while hydrogen is 6 times 2, which is 12. At the left hand side, which is the reactant side, we have nitrogen here has a value of 1, oxygen has a value of 2, while hydrogen has a value of 3. So as you can see, nitrogen is actually balanced here, but oxygen is not balanced both at the right and left hand side. Hydrogen also is not balanced, so we need to balance the oxygen and the hydrogen. So let's begin with the oxygen. Balance oxygen. First, to balance oxygen, oxygen here is 2 and oxygen here is 7. So let's put 5 here. If you put 5 here, this will make oxygen to become 5 times 2. Oxygen now increases to 10, right? And let's put 4 here. When we add 4 here, oxygen here becomes, that is 4, but here already oxygen is 6, right? So 4 plus 6 now gives us 10. So now oxygen becomes 10. So looking at this, oxygen is balanced, right? But as we have balanced the oxygen, now it has affected the nitrogen. As you can see, nitrogen here on the right hand side now becomes 4 instead of 1, right? So nitrogen is 4 here and it is 1 here. So to balance nitrogen, all we need to do is to add 4 in front of the NH4. So now this makes nitrogen here to be 4 and not 1 again. So nitrogen now is 4 here. Also nitrogen is 4. Oxygen is 4, that is plus 6, 10. Oxygen here is 5 times 2, which is 10. While hydrogen is 4 times 3. So hydrogen now becomes 12 here. And looking at hydrogen here is 6 times 2, which is 12. So now all the elements are now balanced on both the reactant and the product side. That is both the left hand side and the right hand side. So at the end of the day, the balanced chemical equation is 4NH3 plus 5O2, which produces 4NO plus 6H2O. So this is the balanced chemical formula.